How to log in Lloyds Bank Online Banking account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do so. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Play Store and search for Lloyds Bank. You can also download this application and get logged in, or you can also use your web application. Tap onto your Chrome and type in Lloyds Bank Sign In. You will see Banking Online on the first search result. Tap Open it. Here you will see the option of Banking Online at the middle of the page and tap on Login. Now all you have to do is enter your user ID and your password. In case you would like this site to remember your user ID, then tap on the box that says Remember My User ID. Just like so, tap on to continue. And if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your Lloyds Bank account. And in case you have forgotten your login details, tap on Forgotten Your Logon Details and get help resetting your account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.